The largest asset manager in the world officially has over $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. And some people are questioning whether Bitcoin is going up or down from here. And they are flipping and flopping on TV right now, specifically Jim Cramer predicting that Bitcoin goes down, and in that tweet, in that prediction, calling the exact local bottom for Bitcoin at these price movements. How is all this conversation happening? What's the truth in this, and what is coming next? Let's talk a little bit about it in this video, guys. I got some breaking news for you today. You're going to want to stick around to the end to find out. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Today, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about Blackrock, making it happen, getting more and more involved with Bitcoin, and probably causing FOMO from other institutions out there across the globe. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get into this and look at what's going on with Bitcoin today. We have had some volatility, obviously. Here was the peak of the Bitcoin ETF launch when we had a little bit of a pump and then a sell-off. Buy the rumor, sell the news was true. Jim Cramer has been very vocal of Bitcoin around these reasons, or around these areas here, around these lows, saying he thought it was going to go lower. We're seeing a recovery. I'm going to look specifically at the timing of those tweets here in a second. But the big story of the day is, first of all, the selling off might be done. JP Morgan recently said that BTC has largely concluded its selling, and we are seeing a recovery in the price of Bitcoin today. Blackrock holds 45,688 BTC, worth over $1.8 billion. I even saw another tweet this morning showing that they're officially over $2 billion. And what you need to understand is BlackRock currently holds 0.23% of the total supply of Bitcoin. 0.25% of the supply of Bitcoin in a matter of 2 weeks. That is epic. That tells you guys the direction of where these asset managers are going. They are going in the direction of buying and buying more and buying a ton of it, because they understand that Bitcoin, you can't turn on the magical money printer like you can with the US dollar. It is a limited supply, and they're gobbling up as much as possible, which means if you're holding some Bitcoin, these institutions could be pumping your bags. They are the first, BlackRock, to reach the $2 billion asset under management threshold. We see Fidelity right on their tail, and so there's multiple people right now buying this like crazy, despite the excitement around this ETF and the insane amount of volume that has been traded on these. And yes, there was a little sell-off when it launched. Despite all the success of these ETFs and the hype surrounding them, you still have some folks out there like Jim Cramer that are making wild, outlandish predictions. It's so interesting to see that Jim Cramer will come out on the news, say one thing, and the opposite is true. Let's look at some specifics. Back on 12:48 a.m. on January 23rd, right towards the very recent local bottom, at about $38,000, my low that I predicted for Bitcoin on this channel, temporarily at least, he tweeted this out. Now that Bitcoin's down about 20% from its high, I expect a strong stand to be made, but it won't hold because not enough money's coming in. New theme, number go down. New theme, Jim Cramer, absolutely wrong once again. Actually, that's an old theme. That's a theme we've seen. Look, he tweets this here, and then price goes up, guys. Price goes up very soon after. Then he says, Bitcoin's so strong early this morning, seems a tad heavy here. Came down a little bit. And then he tweets again, another day, another chance to roll out of Bitcoin while the number go up club tries to keep it at $40,000. And then what do we get? A 5% rally. Bitcoin's back to almost at $42,000 this morning. The mainstream media just gets it wrong every time. The mind-blowing part to me is that Jim Cramer calls it a modern marvel and it's unstoppable, and then he comes out weeks later and he's bearish. It doesn't make any sense to me. Guy bought a farm with his Bitcoin profits. It's saying one thing and doing the other. This is what we see from the mainstream media a lot, especially some of these financial analysts. I'm just a YouTuber. I'm just a guy talking to you guys about the regular news that I see. If you want to become a member on this channel, by the way, we do have live streams where members get priority access to replies. Also, you get access to a private Discord where you can talk directly with me and Black C in this private community for the Crypto Report members. You can become a member on our channel in the link in the description down below, or going to our YouTube channel. But there is no doubt that crypto is going to continue to remain popular, folks. Bruised by the stock market, Chinese is now rushing into Bitcoin, which is banned. Bitcoin's still banned in China. A lot of people forgot that. It's still banned in China, but we are seeing now people that are getting wrecked in the Chinese stock market, which is struggling right now, moving to Bitcoin. I think we're going to continue to see more and more people across the globe move to Bitcoin. People in war-torn countries, people in countries with mass poverty, where really your currency is so volatile, so untrustworthy that Bitcoin is your only option. This is the direction that this asset class is going, guys. You see Chinese investors seeing this right now, and you see the largest asset managers in the world seeing it as well. Today, guys, we are hanging out around 41.8. Nothing crazy going on for Bitcoin today. The rest of the market always revolves around Bitcoin. The fear and greed index is neutral. I just dollar cost averaged in recently. I'm going to continue to buy one time in a big chunk per month. That is my strategy moving forward. Let me know what your strategy is in the comments down below. Are you buying $2 billion worth of Bitcoin like BlackRock, or what are you buying? Are you buying Bitcoin? Are you buying altcoins? I'm very curious what your thoughts are in the comments down below. Join us on our live streams, guys. We're talking crypto every single day on this channel. If you guys want access to a sign-up bonus by signing up for Femex, we have access for that for you guys in the link in the description down below. Make sure you check it out. That's all I got for you guys in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. 2 more videos coming later today. As always, I'll see you next time. Peace.